Hello there, how are you doing? I've got a question for you today. Do you freeze when it comes to speaking in public? Do you get anxious in your belly when someone says, would you like to do a Facebook Live and invite people to your bars class or an event you're creating? So, my name is Rachael O'Brien, and one of the areas that is actually fun for me is speaking in front of camera and talking to people and inviting people through video. So on November 9th, an amazing friend approached me and said, Rachel, could you do a class called Lights, Camera? This class is about stepping out of your fears about what you're going to say, judgments of yourself, how you look, and actually allowing yourself to speak from your heart and invite people to your business and invite people to the service that you offer in the world, be it yoga teacher, whatever it is you do in the world. So we will do a 2-hour class where you will go through amazing exercises that actually allow you to have, remember that thing? Ease, joy, and glory, even if being in front of camera is difficult for you or speaking about your business is difficult for you. This class has been a phenomenal addition to my life, and it has allowed me to have an ease and peace with inviting people to my classes and products. I would love to support you so that you can have actually fun in front of camera and you can invite way more people to your business. Come join me November 9th, 2 hours, camera lights. See you soon.